Guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today we're going to be looking at the fighter jet in Call of Duty Mobile Battle Royale. I think it was implemented because of Top Gun Maverick, and Top Gun Maverick just caused a major hype in anything fighter jet, and Call of Duty looks like decided to capitalize on that. So we're going to go ahead and get to the Jackal, and I'm going to go ahead and go through the controls and kind of explain why I'm not a huge fan of it, which probably doesn't make sense to a lot of people, because it's a fighter jet, like, it's exciting, what is not to like, right? But this is what it looks like. Looks kind of thick, looks kind of girthy. Once you get inside of it, it doesn't have first person point of view. We have the accelerate button, we have the controls, obviously turning it left, right, moving it up, down. We have a brake, we have flares, we have a cannon, and then we have missiles. Now 2 people can get inside this plane, which is quite nice, but the person in the back really can't do much. Now once you hit the accelerate button, moves upward, takes off, and then you could decide to go up, and then it has a ceiling where it just flattens out, and it really, there you go. So it kind of has a ceiling where it flattens out, and then if you let off the throttle, it sometimes goes out of control. One thing I really don't like about it, and one thing that kind of turned me off, and I'm assuming many people off from it because you're not seeing a lot of these in the sky in Battle Royale, is the fact that it's just so difficult to target anything on the ground. This thing moves so quickly that you can't target anything at all. The best thing you could do is aim it at the ground and then just fire the cannon the entire time. You might get lucky and might take somebody out, but other than that, I think it's just designed for dogfights, and most people don't even use it, so you can't really find anybody to do a dogfight with. You could potentially take out choppers as well, and that would be fun if there were any choppers in the sky, but looks like there aren't any of those either. Since it's not in first person, you kind of gotta look at the ground, but if you look at the ground, it really gets close to the ground really quickly, and you can crash really easily. If it runs into anything, you're better off just trying to find a different fighter than trying to get this back into the air again, because it's near impossible. And I know this video sounds like I'm just pointing out a bunch of negatives, but I'm just trying to point out what I'm seeing here. And what I'm seeing here isn't a lot of positives. Like, there's as far as a fighter jet goes, like, there's very little you could do with it in Battle Royale. You see your opponents on the radar, but by the time you get aimed at them, you're already flying past them. It's just so quick, and that's one of the things that's kind of a turnoff. But once again, it is a fighter, so it is really quite quick. Other than that, if I'm missing anything, definitely let me know in the comments section below. I definitely want to learn how to fly this thing better. If I can target things on the ground, I definitely want to learn how to. But as you can see there, we hit the ground. Now we're going to try to get it back into the air, but this is a curvy road, and I really don't think that's going to be possible here, but here goes nothing. Oop, we got it back into the air. We got really lucky because we landed on a road. The past 3 times I tried to get it back into the air, it just blew up and took me out with it. But as you can see, not really finding that many opponents with it. You could potentially find vehicles, and if you get really lucky, or if you're quite skilled at the controls, you might be able to get missile lock on them. But there we have a vehicle that's on the ground that somebody's driving. Let's try to go take that out. I'm gonna try to use missiles on it because the cannon is just so difficult to use. But I could try with the cannon, and then if I do get missile lock on it, we're just gonna go ahead and transition to missiles and try to take it out that way. Here we go. Circling back. Alright. Circling back. Let's aim at the ground. There it is. I see something. Missile. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, let's get out of it. Somebody's got missile lock on it. Oh, and we're done. So, there you guys go. There you guys go. That was a brief video of the jackal. If you're much better at it than I, definitely give me some advice in the comment section below. As I said, I'm really eager to learn. But since I'm not seeing a lot of these in the air, I feel like I'm not doing anything wrong. And it's just really hard to maneuver these. It's really hard to work with these. And the hype wasn't all that. So let me know what your opinions are about this plane and if you even use it in Battle Royale or if you even knew about it in Battle Royale. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next